Children's cancers are typically very different to adult cancers, so we can't just use the same therapy that we would use for adults.
The CCMA is the Childhood Cancer Model Atlas, which brings together hundreds of different samples of childhood cancers from 35 institutes around the world. And this allows us to characterize the samples and develop new treatments for children's cancers.
Our aim is really to share this precious resource with researchers all around the world to accelerate discovery of new treatments and therapies.
The tissue's been collected at surgery and these models have been developed in a lab. So these are models that we can grow in the lab and we can investigate and manipulate. We can treat with potential drugs and see what effect it has on the growth of these models.
So what this ultimately means is that we get a multi-dimensional picture of what each patient's cancer is.
It's a unique resource. There's not anywhere else in the world where such a volume of these models is in the one spot.
My tool to work is the computer, and I use data to interpret the information.
It really is due to the generosity of the paediatric research and the clinical community who are willing to share their samples, their models.
This program came about through the generous funding from the Children's Cancer Foundation over the last 7 years. In addition, we've also been fortunate to acquire funding from the Medical Research Future Fund, as well as the Robert Connor Dawes Foundation over the last 2 to 3 years.
What we're finding now is that as the numbers of models for various childhood cancers are beginning to increase, we're beginning to see more and more discoveries, more and more developments